Hi, it's me, Elena. I'm the mom behind the blog happyandthankfulmom.com and also Focal Point Matters Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about social media in answer to your questions. Is social media worth it? Is it effective for your business? So if you're new to online marketing, then this is for you. Social media marketing, if you've been posting and you see nothing is happening. So let's answer these questions. Is social media worth it? Is social media effective? First question, is social media worth it? Yes, it is. If you don't have a website, so this is a good way to start through the Facebook business page. Now, if you have a website and you're trying to build your audience, this is really also a great way to get eyeballs because the people are there. And this is a free platform for you to use. Now, on Facebook alone, there are 1.79 billion people using the Facebook platform every day. And this is according to Facebook data as of June of 2020. And I've mentioned other data about social media on my blog, Messenger Marketing in 2021, 8 questions every businesses need to ask. And you can find it on focalpointmatters.com/blog. If you put all your effort on social media, you feel nothing is happening, you're wondering if it's really worth it, then let's talk. What's wrong with that? Because the foundation of social media is for people to socialize. And that if you're just posting and you're not socializing is it's just like you're in a party that you're not joining the conversation, you're not connecting with people. So in order for your social media marketing to work, you need to socialize with the people around you. Just don't post it, but connect with people and talk to your audience. Now if you are having a conversation, you have to make sure that you are not spammy. Next question is social media effective? If you're doing the right way, yes, it is effective. It will help you bring traffic to your website, which I highly recommend that you need to have a blog as soon as you can if you're just starting out, because if you depend on social media, you don't own the platform. It's like you're just renting it. You really need to own the land. So it's important to have your own website. And social media is great for brand awareness. As I've mentioned earlier, the people are already there. And also, when people like your post, then it builds your credibility as well. So if you'd like to connect with me, you can connect with me at Happy and Thankful Mom page or Focal Point Matters Digital Marketing. And I also invite you to join my group, Chatbots for Heart Centered Entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching. Till next video.